I see a huge danger looming over the entire planet. What's about to happen in the near future will be a matter of life and death, not just for humanity, but for you personally, my dear friend. In this video address, I want to warn everyone who can hear and tell them how they can save their lives. By the most conservative estimates, over 40% of the world's population will be living in regions facing water scarcity by 2030. In major cities, water will be rationed, and its quality will steadily deteriorate. Epidemics will resurge, bringing back medieval diseases. The water crisis will lead to food shortages, triggering large-scale population migrations. Governments will collapse like houses of cards. Regions with water resources will close off within borders unrelated to national boundaries. Microplastic pollution has affected the entire planet. The entire depth of the ocean is literally permeated with microplastics. It has been found in every sample of ocean water. Microplastics in the environment are increasing, but no effective measures are being taken to remove them.
Due to its specific composition, microplastics have a unique property. They disrupt the ocean's heat conductivity. So, the cause of a disruption of the ocean's function is the anthropogenic factor, and more specifically, it is the plastic that we have created, and now it is everywhere in the ocean. And instead of removing heat, the ocean has become like a thick blanket for our planet. And the planet is exactly what needs to be cooled.
Ocean warming, the atmosphere also heats up. The warmer the air, the more moisture it can hold. Moisture evaporates and remains trapped in the atmosphere for a long time. This is the reason for the simultaneous increase in extreme droughts and floods worldwide. It is precisely the warm ocean and the moist, warm atmosphere that increase the destructive power of hurricanes. With the current trend of ocean warming, there will soon be no safe places left on Earth. Droughts, floods, and hurricanes in the coming years have the potential to make life on the planet unbearable. So, the Earth's interior is heated from the core more intensely due to anthropogenic factors. The heating of the core is caused by external cosmic influence, to which the planet is exposed every 12,000 years. The increasing intensity of hurricanes, rainfall, and droughts is just the beginning. The Earth will start experiencing direct exposure to cosmic rays by the end of 2024. If the situation with the ocean does not improve, disasters will wipe out all life from the face of the Earth. You have only a few years left before reaching the point of no return. And now, the main thing. You have the opportunity to stop the disasters and prevent the planet's demise. The implementation of atmospheric water generators will buy time.
At the moment, there's two methods really of obtaining water from the air. One is through the use of a medium, so like a mesh or a desiccant, and the other one is basically lowering the temperature of the air to the dew point so that the water naturally condenses.
The technology there can create water anywhere because the technology is used in such a way it creates heating and cooling creates condensation.
The way the machine is designed, the air that comes into the machine is filtered to start with. Then the moisture is condensed out of the moisture that's in the air. So the only thing that the machine is seeking is the H2O molecule, which is smaller than a piece of microplastic.
It will have some environmental impact, a positive impact, because when we process ambient air, we filter it from dirty stuff as well.
Agree. It is a big thing when you are using atmospheric water generator in each home.
And this is what we should be looking to doing, and it is clean, right? And it is available everywhere to everyone. And so I think suddenly the world has woken up to this alternate source.
Along with evaporation, micro and nanoplastics rise from the surface. Atmospheric water generators filter the water and remove all impurities from it. With mass usage, atmospheric water generators become an artificial filter integrated into the water cycle on the planet. After a few years of active use of atmospheric water generators, the ocean and atmosphere will be significantly cleaner. The ocean will once again begin to release heat into the atmosphere, and from there, it will dissipate into space. This will mitigate the destructive effects of disasters. Additionally, with intense evaporation, the ocean cools down. It works the same way as a household refrigerator. Widespread adoption of atmospheric water generators will cool the atmosphere and make it less humid. As a result, the strength of hurricanes and storms will decrease, and the amount of extreme precipitation will be reduced. This will save millions of lives and prevent multi-billion-dollar losses.
Can really buy the time scientists need to stop climate disasters and save the Earth for future generations. This is a global project, one of the key puzzle pieces in saving the world.